Hello my lovelies and welcome back. I'm Marilyn. I'm so happy to share another elegant vintage style review with you today. For this look, I wanted to create something timeless, inspired by golden age of a classic cinema, where every detail mattered and elegance was on every attitude. Today's feature is something very special, the Geo Cinnamon Limited Edition Full Contrast Reinforced Stockings. I've styled them with my satin pastel pink trench coat, black lace sequin evening dress, and my Christian Louboutin striped satin platform heel. The soft pink, the dark tone, and glowing of a cinnamon stocking create that perfect balance, graceful, polished, and full of warmth. So, let's begin with the unboxing and take a closer look at this stunning design. There's always little excitement when opening a geo box. Every time it feels like unveiling a piece of history. Inside the presentation is simple and elegant, just as I love. I hold them next to my arm, and the color blends beautifully. It adds just right amount of warmth without overpowering. The fabric has that signature geo texture, light, breathable, but still structured enough to hold shape perfectly. As soon as I touch the fabric, I can already tell how luxurious it feels, smooth, refined, and full of character. The cinnamon tone is simply beautiful, a warm rose gold base with a delicate copper undertone. It reminds me of late afternoon sunlight, soft, glowy, and flattering on so many skin tones. The reinforced heel and toe area feels strong yet subtle, the kind of craftsmanship that makes this strong last. Now it's time for my favorite part, styling them with vintage touch. I am using a 6-clip black mesh cutter belt, one of my go-to accessories for authentic retro look. It takes a little time to align each clip perfectly, but I love this part of a process. It's a calm, almost like a ritual. Every clip holds the stocking beautifully in a place, and once everything is secure, you can see how seamless the line looks. The texture feels gentle, almost like silky yet supportive enough that you feel confident moving around. Ta-da! Here we are, the final look. The Geo Reinforced Cinnamon Stocking paired with my black lace sequin dress, simply stunning together. The shimmer of the lace and the soft glow of cinnamon fabric play beautifully off one another. The fit is perfect. The stocking stays smooth from top to bottom, no sagging, no shifting. The double contrast welt design gives a touch of definition, and the color is rich without being too bold. Just the perfect balance of vintage and elegance. When I move, the light catches the rose gold undertone, adding a touch of radiance. It's the kind of detail that quietly elevates the entire look. For anyone who enjoys refined fashion, something that feels polished but not overdone, this combination is a dream. It's ideal for elegant evening, special gathering, or simply when you want to feel beautifully put together. I wanted to show you how this looks under natural daylight. So I'm standing nearby my large studio window. You can see how the sunlight enhances the warm bronze gold sheen. It's absolutely radiant, but still very soft and wearable. I take a few steps across the studio in my Louboutin strip satin heel, and I love how fluid everything feels. The way the stocking moves with the light fabric of the dress, the soft gleam of a pink trench coat, it all comes together so effortlessly. It's that understated luxury that never feels too much but always look refined. I'm relaxing on my soft sapphire blue rug. It's my little peaceful corner in here. The warm English light coming through the window softens everything around me, and it gives today's geo rose gold shade such a lovely glow. It's that kind of a gentle brightness that feels natural, almost like the color blends into a moment rather than stands out too boldly. Sitting here, I could really appreciate the craftsmanship. The fabric holds its shape beautifully, no shifting, no uneven tone, just that smooth, elegant finish from top to bottom. Even when I move slightly or adjust my posture, everything stays exactly where it should be. For something so light and delicate, that consistency feels very special. It's one of a reason I enjoy reviewing these vintage-inspired pieces. There's a sense of care in how they are made. I took a bit of a time enjoy the whole look together. The lace and sequin dress has a soft evening sparkle. The pastel pink satin coat adds a lovely contrast, and my heel balance everything with a touch of a modern drama. When the texture comes together, satin, lace, sequins, and silky finish of stockings, it creates a mood that feels almost cinematic. A little vintage, a little contemporary, and very calm. While I was sitting here, I noticed how the color looked slightly different depending on the light. Sometimes warmer, sometimes deeper. And that's what makes this shade so interesting. It has personality but still has incredible wearable. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I always look forward to this quite styling session together. I'm Marilyn, and I will see you again soon for another elegant fashion story.